What's the meaning of blacklist? Blacklist. Blacklist.
Blacklist. Blacklist. Blacklist refers to a list of entities, individuals, or organizations that are banned or restricted from accessing certain privileges or services due to their past actions or behavior. The blacklist can be created by governments, companies, or institutions as a way to maintain security and prevent potential harm. Being on a blacklist can have various consequences, ranging from the loss of job opportunities to being barred from entering a country or using certain online platforms. In some cases, being blacklisted can also result in legal action or criminal charges. Therefore, it is essential to be aware of the consequences of one's actions to avoid being added to a blacklist.